Transferring TRC20 USDT from a Wavefield Chain Wallet to your own wallet can seem daunting, especially if you're not familiar with the process. However, with a clear understanding of how to navigate the steps involved, you can safely access and manage your funds. The importance of ensuring that your transactions are secure cannot be overstated, particularly in light of past incidents involving scams that have exploited the cryptocurrency space. Before diving into the technicalities of the transfer, it's essential to acknowledge the broader context surrounding Wavefield and its association with Tron. The Wavefield supercommunity scam serves as a stark reminder of the risks involved in the cryptocurrency market. Victims of this Ponzi scheme lost millions, leading to significant unrest and public outcry. This incident highlighted the necessity for due diligence when engaging with investment opportunities. Tron, while initially facing backlash, clarified its position and distanced itself from the fraudulent activities that misused its name. The lesson here is straightforward. Always verify the legitimacy of investment opportunities and be wary of promises that seem too good to be true. With that in mind, let's focus on the steps to transfer your TRC20 USDT safely. The first step is to ensure you have a compatible wallet. There are several options available, including Trust Wallet, SafePal Wallet, TronLink Wallet, and OKX Wallet. It's crucial to download the wallet from official app stores or websites to avoid phishing scams. Once you have selected a wallet, proceed to install it on your device. After successfully installing the wallet, you'll need to restore it using your recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is a critical piece of information that allows you to access your funds. Open the Wallet app and look for the option to Import Wallet or Restore Wallet. When prompted, select the Tron network, TRX, TRC20, if necessary. Carefully enter your 12-word recovery phrase, ensuring that each word is spelled correctly and in the right order. Once you confirm the phrase, the wallet will complete the restoration process, and you should be able to see the same address where your TRC20 USDT is stored. Next, it's time to check your USDT balance. Navigate to the USDT TRC20 section within your wallet. If you don't see your USDT balance, you may need to manually add the token. This can be done by selecting Add Custom Token, choosing the Tron network, TRC20, and inputting USDT. Once added, your balance should reflect the USDT you have. Now that your wallet is set up and you can see your USDT, it's time to initiate the transfer to your own wallet. If you have TRX available for gas fees, the process is straightforward. Select USDT TRC20 in your wallet, tap Send, and enter your personal wallet address where you want the USDT to go. Specify the amount of USDT you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. It's vital to ensure that you have enough TRX to cover the gas fees associated with the transfer. Once you confirm, the transaction will be processed, typically within a few seconds. However, if you find yourself without TRX for gas fees, you will need to acquire some before proceeding with the transfer. This can be done by sending at least 10 to 20 TRX to your restored wallet from another account, or an exchange such as Binance, OKX, or Bybit. After your wallet receives the TRX, you can follow the same steps outlined earlier to send your USDT. Once you have initiated the transfer, it's essential to confirm that the transaction has been completed successfully. You can do this by checking your personal wallet balance to ensure the USDT has arrived. Additionally, using a blockchain explorer like TronScan can provide you with real-time tracking of your transaction, allowing you to verify its status. While these steps guide you through the legitimate transfer of TRC20 USDT, it's crucial to remain vigilant. The cryptocurrency landscape is rife with potential pitfalls, and scams can occur even when you think you're taking the right steps. Always safeguard your recovery phrases and never share them with anyone. If you suspect that your funds may have been part of a scam, it's important to understand that recovering stolen USDT can be nearly impossible, as Tron and other platforms typically cannot reverse transactions once they are confirmed on the blockchain. In conclusion, transferring TRC20 USDT from a Wavefield Chain Wallet to your own wallet is a manageable process when you follow the correct steps. Start by ensuring you have a compatible wallet, restore it using your recovery phrase, check your balance, and then initiate the transfer while ensuring you have the necessary gas fees covered. Always stay informed about the risks associated with cryptocurrency transactions and prioritize security to protect your assets. The lessons learned from past scams should serve as a guiding principle as you navigate the world of digital currencies.